Let's analyze this safety valve also. This is for pressure relief and it should be mounted on the cold side, just as shown here. It's blue. So this is the blue, that is blue, and I should remove this. Not exactly now. Water is shut off, let's try it. We have a little bit of pressure. Let's release that pressure. Okay. Even more pressure. So water is being released from this hose. And it almost stopped. More water. That's coming only from the hose and from the tap. So this should be mounted here. It has a rubber inside, so no Teflon tape is needed on the thread. So air or water can pass in that direction from the top to the bottom. So when I blow air inside here, it should exit there. So air is going that way. Now if I try to blow air from this side to the opposite direction, contrary to that arrow, it should exit here. If I provide enough pressure, which I can't with my lungs, then it should exit, but if the pressure is too low, then lift this up and then it will exit. So when the pressure is large inside the boiler, the pressure is being released here on the small one. And why is this on the cold side? So when the pressure inside the boiler is too high, then the contents are eliminated through the cold one. The cold one in this case goes down to the bottom of the boiler, and thus the colder part of that water is being eliminated here on the small. If you mount this to the other side, to the hot water, then hot water will come out. So a safer, low temperature water is being eliminated. Now put that also back. This also has a rubber inside. 1/2-inch connector. Manual tightening is usually enough. And the tube has to go to a sink somewhere. Shut off this first. Release the water. It was pressurized. Inside is still hot. Ouch, it's almost burning. Although it's disconnected. No water should leak here. This tube is not filled with anything, so this valve opens only at high pressures. So if you set this to the maximum, then probably that valve will push out some of the air and water.